You may have heard whispers online or seen viral videos suggesting that some old pennies, like the 1935 Lincoln wheat penny, could be worth thousands or even millions. While that may sound unbelievable, some coins from this era can indeed fetch astonishing prices, but it all depends on condition, rarity, and unique minting errors. In this video, we're diving deep into the 1935 wheat penny, its background, features, real market value, rare errors, and how to identify a valuable one in your own collection. Watch till the end to discover the truth, and you might just realize you're holding a hidden treasure. Let's start by understanding what this coin is all about. The 1935 wheat penny belongs to the famous Lincoln wheat cent series, first minted in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Designed by Victor David Brenner, it was the first U.S. coin to feature a real person, breaking the tradition of using symbolic figures like Liberty. This design became one of the most iconic in American numismatics. The obverse front of the coin shows a detailed side profile of President Lincoln, with inscriptions including "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the year 1935. Below the date, some versions feature a small mint mark indicating the location where the coin was struck. On the reverse back side, we see two sheaves of wheat flanking the words 1 cent and United States of America, along with the Latin phrase e pluribus unum, meaning out of many, one. This iconic design is the reason why this coin is often referred to as a wheat penny. Now let's talk about how valuable this coin can actually be. Let's know about 1935 Lincoln penny _ Philadelphia mint, no mint mark. Most of these were minted in Philadelphia, and you'll notice these don't carry any mint mark beneath the date. In heavily circulated condition, these are very common and usually sell for around 5 to 25 cents. In better circulated condition, like fine or very fine, values can go up to $1 or $2. But in uncirculated, mint state condition, especially with original red luster preserved, the value increases significantly. MS-63 red, $10 to $20. MS-65 red, $30 to $50. MS-67 red, between $250 to $500, sometimes even more at auction if it's graded by PCGS or NGC. If we discuss 1935 D Lincoln penny _ Denver mint. The 1935 D version was minted in Denver, and you'll find a small D mint mark just below the year on the coin's obverse. In circulated grades, it usually sells for 10 cents to $1.50. In mint state, prices jump depending on color and preservation. MS-65 red, worth between $50 to $100. MS-66 red, can go for $200 to $300. MS-67 plus red, which is exceptionally rare, has sold for over $1,000, and in one recorded auction, even up to $5,000. These top prices are only for coins that are essentially flawless, with rich red color, no scratches, and pristine strike quality. Let's know about rare errors that can make you rich. Now here's where things get really exciting. Some rare error coins from 1935 have sold for thousands of dollars. These are the types of pennies you should be on the lookout for. Double Die Obverse, DDO. This means that the design elements, especially Liberty, Indiana God We Trust, and the date, appear doubled. These are highly collectible and can sell for hundreds to thousands based on condition and clarity. BIE error. This quirky error is caused by a small die crack between the letters B and E in Liberty, making it appear as though there's an I between them. These usually sell between $10 and $100, but more prominent versions can fetch more. Off-center strikes. These occur when the coin is not struck perfectly centered. The more dramatic the error, for example, 50% off-center with the date still visible, the higher the value, ranging from $50 to $300 plus. Clipped planchet. A piece of the coin's edge is missing due to a minting defect. These errors are sought after and can be worth $50 to several $100s. Lamination error. Caused by impurities in the metal, this leads to parts of the coin's surface flaking or peeling off. Depending on size and location, these errors can add $20 to $200 plus to the value. If you believe your coin has any of these features, you should consider getting it professionally authenticated and graded. Here is very unique information about getting your coin graded. For coins that are shiny, red, and show no signs of wear, submitting them to a grading service like PCGS or NGC can reveal their true value. A small investment in grading can turn a coin worth a few dollars into one worth hundreds or even thousands. Many collectors won't even consider buying high-value coins unless they are slabbed and graded by a trusted authority. Now let's know about the real auction examples. To give you a sense of what's possible, consider this: a 1935 D. Lincoln Wheat penny graded MS67 Plus red sold at auction for over $5,000. That's right, an ordinary-looking penny, just like the one you may have in your change jar, became a prized treasure simply because it was preserved in nearly perfect condition. There are also rare 1935 pennies with verified mint errors that have sold for over $1,500 depending on the type and rarity of the flaw. These are not common, but they do exist, and collectors pay big money for them. So, can a 1935 Lincoln Wheat penny be worth millions? Not under normal circumstances. But if it's in pristine, high-grade condition or features a rare minting error, its value could skyrocket into the thousands. This humble 1-cent coin, if you're lucky, might just be a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. Whether you're a collector or just someone curious about coins in your drawer, the 1935 Wheat penny is definitely one worth checking closely. Examine the surface, check for mint marks and errors, and if it looks flawless, consider having it graded. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to like the video, share it with fellow collectors, and subscribe for more coin history and value guides. Got a rare coin of your own? Drop the year and details in the comments below. You never know, your coin could be featured in the next video. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy collecting!